Alright, so is this something new from Apple? Because this phone was too many entries locked, and I plugged it into iTunes and it did a upgrade. And now, after it asked for the PIN code that the person managed to remember a couple of times, it's doing this attempted data recovery business. I've never seen this before, so I don't know. Oh, what's that? You blanked out. So I don't know. It'd be interesting to see if this is actually something that Apple's now introduced as a way around the situation when you get broken screens that auto touch, causing the phones to go into disabled mode. If they have done this, that's fantastic. It's kind of brutal for the people who have already formatted their phones, but for those who have yet to come, then it might be a real lifesaver. Alright, so here I am after the recovery is finished, and it sure enough has brought the phone back up to the point where I can use it again, so this is going to be quite interesting. Yeah, so here we have it, all the details are there. So I'm shocked, maybe this is a new thing Apple's doing. If so, that's really good.